Geography, second chapter, globe, latitudes and longitudes. We come on to the D exercise. D1. What is the importance of Tropic of Capricorn? Answer D1. You'll give a heading Tropic of Capricorn. Then you'll write the heading degrees, and then you'll write 23.5 degrees south. Then you'll write importance, and you'll write sun shines vertically overhead on 22nd December. The earth has summer in southern hemisphere, winter in northern hemisphere. That's it. D2. Name the hottest and the coldest heat zones. Now you write the hottest heat zone, and then you write torrid zone, and then you write from Tropic of Cancer. You'll give the degrees 23.5 degrees north to Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south is the hottest zone. After that you'll write the coldest heat zone, then you write frigid zone. Then from Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north to the North Pole, 90 degrees north, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south to the South Pole 90 degrees south are the coldest zones. D3. How can we locate places on the Earth's surface? Answer D3. To locate any place on the Earth, we need to refer to the location of the place east or west from a given longitude, and north and south from a given latitude. Thus, the intersection of latitudes and longitudes pinpoint the location of a place on Earth. That's it. D5. If the time of a place A is 10 degrees north and 5 degrees east is 10 a.m., what will be the time at place B, which is 30 degrees north, 75 degrees east? Show your calculations. Answer. Place A is equal to 10 degrees north, 5 degrees east, and the time at that longitude is 10 a.m. So they want us that the place B, which is 30 degrees north and 75 degrees east, you have to calculate the time, and the working will be, we'll find out the difference of longitudes of place B and A, so that makes it 70 degrees. You will show this whole working and write this as your answer. So it is 70 degrees. Then we know that 15 degrees is travelled in 1 hour. So therefore 70 degrees will be travelled in 1 into 70 upon 15, which is 4 hours 10 minutes. So if a place A has the time 10 a.m. at that time, so place B, the time would be 4 hours 10 minutes ahead of 10 a.m. So 4 hours ahead of 10 a.m. would be 2 and 10 minutes more, so 2:10 p.m. is your answer. E. Long answer type questions. Explain the heat zones of the Earth with the help of a diagram. In this, you will not only draw the diagram, but you will also explain it. So the answer is, you will draw this heat zone here on the blank side, and then you will write the complete chart which is given here. This is your answer E1. This complete chart you will write. E2. Differentiate between latitudes and longitude. Now for this answer, you will divide the page into 2 parts, and on top you'll write latitudes, and this side you'll write longitudes. Then first point, there are circles which run from west to east and are parallel to the equator. First point for longitude, there are half circles between the North Pole and the South Pole. Then second point, Latitudes are also called parallels. The second point, longitudes are also called meridians. Then third point, there are 181 parallels on the earth. Third point, there are 360 meridians on the earth. Fourth point, they are used to locate places in north and south directions. These are used to locate places in east and west directions. Right about the fifth point, the equator is taken as the starting line of the latitudes, and the last difference is the prime meridian is taken as the starting line of the longitudes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 points here, and the fifth point is this. E3. Describe the importance of latitudes and longitudes. Answer. You write importance of latitudes as your heading. Then you write the first and the second jotter only. Latitudes help us to determine location of places and their relative distances. Latitudes help us to demarcate the earth into heat zones based on similar temperature conditions between the latitudes. Then you'll write a heading importance of longitudes, and you'll write apart from helping in locating places, longitudes play a prime role in measuring time. That's it. E3. E4. Explain various characteristics of latitudes and longitudes. You'll give the heading characteristics of longitudes, and you write first point, all meridians are half circles because they join the north and south poles. They are of equal length. Then number 2, they divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Number 3, the distance between the lines of